Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and we've been cooking so many main courses. It's time for a delicious dessert. So what are we going to make this week?
I'm going to make, well, you're going to make. We are going to make rice pudding.
Okay, this is great. This is one of my favourite dishes as a kid, and I used to really love my mum's rice pudding.
Okay, how your mum cook it?
I cannot remember. I didn't pay attention, sadly, and I was just sitting there as a kid at the dinner table waiting for good pudding, and I really used to I used to love rice pudding, and I haven't had it since. And then since going vegan, I've not had rice pudding. I used to eat the Ambrosia tins, absolutely delicious, just cold straight out of the tin.
You like tin food?
Yeah, no, but Ambrosia, food of the gods, straight out of the tin, cold. Perfect.
Ali and my daughter love that.
Okay, she's got good
rice
taste
pudding.
then. Yeah.
As now they do it in a plastic pot. Plastic pots.
Plastic pots, criminal.
Yeah.
No, we didn't have those when I
In
used to buy them in the olden days. So we're going to make one from scratch. So tell me what's going in it.
So today, got some pudding rice pudding. Then got some cut sugar. So about 80 grams of rice pudding. Pudding rice.
Pudding
what do you
rice.
call that?
Pudding rice.
Pudding rice. Yeah, and then 40 grams of the cut sugar and 10 grams of vegan butter. And I'm going to use this, the Oatly.
Oatly Barista.
Yes, this one. Or you can have like a single cream, something like that.
I think Oatly do a single cream as well.
Yeah. Then can use another milk, plant-based milk. We're gonna use 500 grams, 500
ml.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I don't know how your mum made it, but today I'm going to melt the butter and then put the rice on top.
Yep.
And add some milk and then stir it for like 5 minutes maybe, and then decant to the dish, small dishes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, and then pop in the oven for like maybe 50 minutes, an hour.
Oh, that's a long wait. It's a bit of a tease.
Oh, it's alright, you can sit and drink your coffee while we're waiting.
Perfect.
And another thing I'm going to say is so you can add some vanillas into it as well, like vanilla extract, and also like nutmeg. That's a good one.
Nutmeg and cinnamon.
And cinnamon, yeah, that's really good. And then go after we finish it, we're gonna serve it with like, this is raspberry jam, I believe, and you can also have this strawberry jam. That's my favorite too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get cooking. We're gonna add some butter that melted, and then going to add some milk. So after the butter melted, so I'm going to add some milk. Okay. Dripping. So it's 500 ml of full fat milk. Whole milk. And I'm gonna add everything like rice and sugar. You can cook it like two ways. You can cook it from the pot or you can cook it in the oven. So yeah, like this. Then add some sugar and stir for like 5 minutes, and then gonna transfer them into the oven dish. So after 5 minutes, going to put it in the oven-proof dish. It's at the moment look a bit watery, but after 50 minutes cooking in the oven, you'll see the difference. So most of the time I just put in one dish, but today we have a small dish, so I have to split them in half. go, we're ready to pop in the oven now. So after 50 minutes in the oven, so this is rice pudding we got. So
It looks good. It looks good. I must admit, I would be lazy and just make it on the hob, but coming out of the oven, the browning looks really good.
yeah, you wouldn't get the top like coating brownings if you do on
Yeah.
the hob. So I prefer it this way, and then you can just 5 minutes in the pan. Or
Yeah.
some people don't have to do that step. So you can
Straight
just
in the oven.
pop everything in, do the oven dish, and then just pop it in the oven and go and do your whatever you want
Yeah.
to do. Yeah. And you want to give it a try?
I do. I've been waiting a long time to try this. 50 long minutes.
50
50 long minutes. Okay, here we go. A bit of jam.
Is it hot? How is it?
Mmm.
Good.
Mmm.
I pinch some.
No.
No,
No.
you can have some of
It's
the
so good. Yeah?
very good.
Mmm. Mmm.
Very good.
Definitely try this.
Gonna make some more.
It's worth a 50-minute wait in the oven.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good.
Got
If you get a nutmeg in this as well, it's really,
Yeah.
really good.
that would be great. Can we finish this off?
Okay, I'm gonna eat some more. You can finish it off.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Do try this at home. This is so nice. And we'll see you next week in Love Vegan Kitchen for another dish. Or mine.
It's really good. Got to try it and yum yum
And yum yum.
yum yum. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.